Well, I tried an experiment to make a fool out of myself. It failed in 2 dimensions. First, I didn't get the sound, and the second was that I was trying to sit on my ass gliding down a hill. Problem was I didn't glide at all. Maybe my ass is too big, I'm not sure. But I found I think this is a good spot. It's full of ice. I'll probably glide now. The problem is I might hit a tree. So it could be the last you see of me. Only time will tell. Okay, I'm gonna sit on this shit here and glide on the ice. Let's see how this shit works. Okay. I am a bit nervous, but okay. Here goes. And maybe oh the fuck. Jesus. Okay. Wish me luck, motherfuckers. Starts out slow. Jesus. It looks like I'm aiming for that speed. I better steer off. Oh, I went black. Jesus. Picking up the pace. Picking up the pace. Oh, fuck, there's no speed. This is retarded. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my ass. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. Oh, my ass. Ah, that hurts. Fuck. I'm walking from here. See you later.